You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to turn on or off the sensitive content warning on your iPhone. This feature blurs potentially sensitive photos and videos in Messages, AirDrop, and other apps. Open your iPhone's Settings app, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll to the bottom and tap Sensitive Content Warning. Toggle the switch at the top to turn the feature on or off. When on, you can select which apps to apply it to, such as Messages, AirDrop, and Contact Posters in the phone app. When someone sends you content that the system detects as sensitive, it will be blurred with a warning. You can tap Show to view it. This warning helps you avoid unexpected explicit material. It works entirely on your device, so Apple does not see your content. If you turn it off, content will be displayed without any blurring or warnings. The setting syncs across your Apple devices using the same Apple ID. This is a useful privacy and safety tool, especially for shared devices or younger users. You can enable or disable it at any time. For more simple iPhone privacy tutorials, subscribe to the channel.